In today's wrap-up, Armenia has jumped 19 places in the Global Peace Index. Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan has stated that the coronavirus situation is stabilizing. The government has accused business tycoon and opposition party leader Gagik Tsarukyan of cooperating with elements of the old regime. And Georgia and Lithuania are set to send medical staff to help with Armenia's pandemic response. Armenia has jumped 19 places in the 2020 Global Peace Index from 118th place to 99th place. The Global Peace Index, which is released annually by the Australia-based Institute for Economics and Peace, measures the level of peacefulness in 163 countries. It factors in a great number of areas including militarization, incarceration rates, terrorism, political repression, crime, and political instability. Armenia jumped 2 places in the 2019 report. The report cited the stabilization of the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict as the central factor, but also cited a dramatic reduction of incarceration rates, giving Armenia the lowest incarceration rate in the Eurasian region. Homicide rates and political instability also dropped, however a more interventionist government did increase its score with regards to political terror. Increased militarization, arms imports and military expenditure were also spotlighted. Despite a global average fall in peacefulness, Armenia had the second largest improvement this year, second only to Azerbaijan, which jumped 15 places. Again, a reduction in violence on the line of contact between Armenian and Azerbaijani forces in Karabakh was cited as the main reason for this. Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan has stated that the situation regarding the coronavirus pandemic may be stabilizing. Due to increased hospital capacity and responsible behavior, the strain on the healthcare system has improved, adding that the number of patients needing to be hospitalized has been steadily declining. Pashinyan also stated that yesterday the police fined over 1,800 citizens for flouting mask-wearing rules. Health authorities today confirmed 566 new cases of COVID-19, raising the total number of cases to 14,669. 240 more recoveries were reported and 18 more deaths. Over 2,700 tests were conducted, meaning that the country may well be on its way to hit its target of conducting 3,000 tests a day. The head of Armenia's Security Council, Armen Grigoryan, has accused business tycoon and opposition party leader Gagik Tsarukyan of associating and trying to help elements of the old regime. Tsarukyan, who leads the Prosperous Armenia parliamentary faction, which holds 25 seats in Armenia's 132-member parliament, gave a televised address recently on a channel he owns where he called on the Pashinyan government to resign for their failures, especially with regards to handling the pandemic. Tsarukyan also stated that he is ready to cooperate with other political groups. Grigoryan called this call to action a treacherous plea and a sign of willingness to cooperate with people associated with the old Republican Party regime, which was overthrown in the 2018 Armenian Revolution. The PM spokeswoman Mane Gevorkyan added that Tsarukyan's unusually harsh remarks were due to fear of being prosecuted on charges of corruption and tax evasion. Georgian Prime Minister Giorgi Gakharia has announced that Georgia will send medics to Armenia to help with the country's coronavirus response. Gakharia added that he and the Armenian PM have been communicating, as have the individual health ministries of both countries. Georgia's handling of the pandemic has been noted by observers to have been significantly better than Armenia's, with only around 800 cases confirmed there. Meanwhile, Armenia has confirmed over 10,000. Georgia has also pledged to deliver batches of face masks to Armenia and to help with regards to analyzing COVID-19 test samples. Moreover, the Lithuanian foreign minister has announced that Lithuania too will send medical staff to assist Armenia. Lithuania had already sent packages of medical gear and equipment to Armenia by plane in May. And finally, Civilnet's Garin Harutyunyan took a series of photos of a medieval fortress in the region of Lori. Located about 5 kilometers from the town of Stepanavan, it was once one of the most important defensive outposts of the Kyrikian kingdom, which existed between the 10th and 12th centuries. Surrounded by lush green pastures and mountain streams, this ancient fortress lingers on in the midst of the picturesque beauty of rural Lori.